Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have a marble. Yes, sir. Kakain ko. Yes, sir. This is the blackberry. This is the blackberry. Here.
Who's looking for the princess? The princess will be up the stairs in the highest room in the tallest tower.
Tignan mo.
I read it in a book once.
Cool. You handle the dragons, I'll handle the stairs. Oh, I'll find those stairs. I'll whip their butt too. That's right. Those stairs won't know which way to go.
Hala, natakpan. Ay, nahulog. Guys, tignan nyo to. Look, my marble.
Oh, at least we know where the princess is. But where's the
I just got this marble. I got this in the heaven. How about this one? Yay, I have some lagayan. Sa akin na lang tong lagayan, ha.
And you know what else? You know what else? You're a girl.
Wait, guys.
Okay.
Wala namang problema doon sa'yo. Sabihin